This is a quick walkthrough of how to use our seat configurator. Once you have to choose your make and model, you'll hit configure. And in material choices, you'll just want to choose each of the colors or the materials that you like to use. Here we're going to use Whisper Black, which is free of charge, Tri-Gripper, and Whisper Brown. Once you choose your material layout, which is basically how you would like all the stitching formed and the materials positioned on the seat, you could choose the material for each panel. So you see we've put Tri-Gripper on the lumbar here, Whisper Black on the rider area. Then we're going to add Whisper Brown onto our band as well as our passenger area for this particular layout. And then Whisper Black on the rear side panel. Once you do that, you can choose your stitch color. The stitch color will dictate, how the lattice stitch is colored throughout the seat. And then there's also a top stitch, which is all the lining around the seat. For our gel, you get gel by default with the Saddlemen seat, and a rear gel. Heat is optional. And then we do two different Saddlemen textiles, an embroidered and an embossed. The embossed is basically like stamped into the seat. And then you also have the option of adding our MDU logo onto your seat now. You see we've got our Embroidered logo color. The logo color applies to anywhere it has been embroidered. So if you choose embossed, it's going to be pressed into the side and then embossed on the other areas, or embroidered on the other areas. And so now we're going to change it here to embroidered all over so you can see the difference. And then the last step is your seat review to make sure that everything you've chosen is exactly as you like.